Happy Friday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC, so that means it's another episode of Tech Tips Friday. Today's tip, I probably touched on some of this in the past about, regular maintenance of desktops and laptops. About once a year, be sure to take them apart, get all the dust out of them, clean them out, redo the thermal compound, things like that, on the processors to make sure they keep running smoothly for you, and it'll improve the thermals as well. This is the backup desktop at home. I've already cleaned out the interior, got the heat sink on the for the processor cooler, or the CPU cooler, cleaned off and ready to go. And I'm going a step further, and I'm going to redo the thermal compound on the video card. Now this is an old RX 480. I flashed it years ago with the BIOS flash for this particular manufacturer, and it's been thinking it's a 580 ever since. And it's probably been that way about 6 or 7 years. It's probably time to redo the thermal paste. That flash does push the thermals on this card, so time to redo it. I'll take it apart, redo the thermal compound, put it back in, and hopefully get a couple more years of life out of it. It's a good card, just gets a little warm right now, so time to do some thermal or redo the thermal compound to help it improve the heat dissipation. We offer that service here at the shop. Come on by and see us. It's based on our $80 per hour bench rate. We've also got some new PCs coming in next week. We've got a 9th Gen i9 with looks like a terabyte SSD, 32 gigs of RAM, and a 2070 Super. So it'll be a nice desktop gamer. That one's going to come in probably around $800-900. We'll see. After it gets cleaned up, reloaded, taken to its paces, all that kind of thing. And we've got 2 X1 carbons coming in. An 8th Gen 10510U i7 and looks like a 6th Gen 8650U processor. Both i7s, both 16 gigs of RAM, and I think I'm going to do brand new terabyte M.2s in there as well. So Windows 11, all that good stuff. So those will be some new additions. We haven't had any of the X1 carbons, but it'll be, folks seem to like them, so it'll be a good addition to the shop inventory. We're down to the ZBook and the T14, so they're going quickly with the upcoming Windows 11 upgrade, so, or Windows 10 expiration. So if you need a laptop, come by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Hope these tips help, and y'all be sure and enjoy your holiday weekend. Come on by and see us.